2007 Dodge Charger 5.7 liter. I'm changing out the leak detection pump. Here's the part number. And I'm also replacing the oil pressure switch and oil temperature sensor. They're both parts for it. Here is your oil pressure switch right here, located on the oil filter. Remove your oil filter to get to the pressure sensor. Here's the old one I got out. Here's the new one. That's the part number for it. Here's the alternator. See the wire for the sensor right here? That's the temperature sensor. Now for the lock flip, I use my pick right here. Shove it all the way up and pushes out like that. For the connector, I use the plier, kind of reach in and press it on the clip, the tab, and pull it out. But for some reason, if it's too hard for you to get it out, you're gonna have to remove the alternator. Use the plier, grab it right here, press on the tab right here, and pull. Here's the part number for the temperature sensor. Here's how it looks like. You're gonna need a special socket for the oil temperature sensor. That's deep enough to fit in, like that. Use the extension, a special socket, and the ratchet. For the leak detection pump, it's located on the right rear fender. The leak detection pump sits like this. You're gonna press on this tab right here. Press on this tab, and you're gonna twist it right to unlock. There's one breather hose, one connector right here. Now to get the pump off the bracket right here, what you're gonna do is pry this part down, pry this tab down, and pull the detection pump out. For the seal, this is the old one. Here's my new one. It's located right here, sitting on the edge of it. Put this back. Sits just like that. We got the new one in. It's gonna be the reverse step of installation. So it's gonna be this way, and you're gonna twist left to lock. Here are the check engine light codes. Evap leak, which is the leak detection pump. Oil pressure. That was the small sensor. The oil temperature sensor, which is the big one where the alternator is. Now we're gonna clear it. Should be good to go.